Okay.
Is it spicy?
I don't think so. I think it's I think it's just sweet. Okay. This is Nicole doing the cinnamon challenge. It's real cinnamon, I swear. I'll show you. Ground cinnamon.
I'm about to puke already. I don't even...
I got her water and towels. And she's gonna do it.
Okay. Okay. I can't laugh. Okay. What if I choke?
I don't know. I'll freak out. I'll be like, drink the water! Throw up in the sink!
Okay. 1, 2. Not a good time.
Okay. Oh, it's disgusting. Can you breathe? Can you breathe? Okay, good. You were good for a while. And then you just like... Okay. Oh, ew.
That was gross.